Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. I'm really pumped about it. I've been waiting for this package for a week and a half and I am so excited. Like all day I've been tracking. I was like, when the mail gets here, I've got to go get this package. Side note, normally when I get a package, I don't rush to the office to get it. I actually asked James to get it on his way home because I don't like walking over to the office. But with this package, I was like, I've got to have it right now. So that just tells you how excited I am for this package. It's kind of sad, I know. So today's video is going to be all about dun, 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 Young Living essential oils. Now, I have tried essential oils, but I've not tried something that claims to be 100% essential oils where like there's no artificial stuff in them. It's all like good stuff, you know, it's all like actual legit oil. And Young Living has this seed to seal, so they see it from the very beginning when they plant the seed to when they seal the bottle, and it's all 100% essential oils. So I wanted to try this company because of that. I wanted to see if that made a difference. Like I said, I have tried some essential oils. I'm not a huge essential oil person, but I struggle with anxiety. I struggle with horrible allergies apparently that randomly showed up last year. It's weird. So I figured I would try these out and see if they're as great as everyone claims that they are. I watched a ton of YouTube videos on them and did my research, so I decided to go with it. I signed up for the starter kit, which means that I can sell these products if I like them. I'm not really planning on going into the business side of things, but I will leave a link down below where you can get the starter kit if you guys are interested. You can sign up, but then you never have to sell, which is really nice. Yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to try this out, and I will give you guys my honest thoughts after I've tried it out. But today is an unboxing, so let's get into it because I feel like this intro is way too long. I also got a couple of other things with Essential Rewards, and that's like a whole separate thing. I don't know a whole lot about it, so I don't want to like talk about it and like give you guys the wrong information. From what I've heard, you don't have to sign up for it, but actually whenever I was signing up for mine, it like kind of forced me to, but I was like, okay, like I'll try it out. But I do want to let you guys know that if you do sign up for it, I think it forces you to choose that option and get stuff. So everybody was saying that you didn't have to, so unless I just like couldn't figure it out, it seemed like they made me. So you get like a catalog. That's cool. So catalog. You get like a bunch of other like paper stuff where it talks about like how they do from seed to seal, so that's pretty cool. All right, I guess there's like so much stuff I'm like trying to unbox. Woo! Okay, I guess I'll start with one thing that I'm super excited about, because even though like I don't know how I feel about like essential oils and their healing properties, I do like to diffuse them because of their scent. So I'm really excited that I got this desert mist diffuser. It looks really pretty, so let me open it up and show you guys. I feel like this YouTube video is all over the place just because I'm so excited. It's not like, sorry, it's not like, you know, super high quality, because I'm just so excited I needed to film this right now. You guys understand? Yeah, I feel like it's Christmas. All right, this is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna put this in my bedroom. I'm super excited about this. I really only diffuse stuff in my bedroom because I do have a dog, and I've heard claims that it's not safe, and I care a lot about my dog, so I'm like, I need to make sure she's not around it when it's diffusing. So I like to diffuse mostly at bedtime, just to help like calm and relax. Whenever my dog's not here, because sometimes she visits my family in Tennessee. She actually was just there for 2 months and she just came back home. But then I will diffuse it like during the day or like out in the living room. But I am a little worried about that. I have read up on the things that you can and can't diffuse around your dog. So I might try like diffusing stuff that like says it's safe and see like how she handles that. I'm not sure. This is a whole long rant about that, but I am excited to put this in my bedroom. I think it's gonna look really nice next to my bed. It has like different colors that you can turn it on, but you have to like plug it up for all of that. So yeah. But I'm sorry, I'm just so like excited and whatever, but you have to like plug it up and whatever. But it has different colors. It like has different settings, so it can like do a continuous thing, or it can like spray out like every couple of seconds. Like I said, I don't know a ton about everything, but I'm learning, and I will definitely let you guys know what I think. But so far, I'm impressed. I like this. Next up are all the oils, and I'm really excited about also. If you can't tell, I'm pretty much just excited about everything at this moment. I'm just excited about life, because why not? Okay, so I'm throwing stuff around. So you open up the box like this, and here are some of the oils. There's actually one hidden in the bottom of this box, but you get lemon, copaiba, I think is how I've heard people say it, digest, thieves, peppermint, panaway, raven, citrus fresh, frankincense, and lavender. Okay, this is gonna be the true test, you guys. Oh, there's like a little chihuahua out right outside my window. That's so cute. He or she is so cute. Not as cute as Dixie. She's also a chihuahua, but they are pretty cute. Oh gosh, there's like this person, and they're probably gonna watch me film this video. Guys, I still don't like lavender. Every video I've watched, people have said they hated lavender until they smelled the lavender from Young Living. I still don't really like lavender. It still smells the same to me, and I don't really like it. Maybe if I like mix it with something, I would like it. I'm not gonna smell all these on camera. I will tell you my honest thoughts and opinions like after I've actually used them. But for right now, I am impressed with the packaging, and they have, so these on top have the white labels, and these have like regular solid color. The white labels you can actually ingest, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm kind of scared to do that, to be honest. I feel like you should not be putting like eating this or drinking this, but I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna try it, but like right now I don't know if I have any plans to or not. You know what I mean? Things could change as I research and like talk to other people who have done that. But for right now, I'm just like, I don't know that I want to do that. We have this little thing in the bottom. You have a packet of Thieves Cleaner, which I've heard great things about. You have the, I don't even know how to say this. I don't know. I'm not even gonna attempt to say it because I'm gonna mess it up. But this is apparently like a drink, like supplement thing that you drink. You can drink like it a couple times a day. It's supposed to be really good for you. Has lots of oils and like antioxidant stuff. I don't really know. Like I mean I've watched videos on this, but I'm still learning, so I don't want to give any like wrong information to you guys. But you're apparently supposed to be able to drink this. I might try this out. I don't know. I've heard really good things about it. And then it gives you energy, which I always need energy, so. Next, you have a little cap that has a roller in it. And you can make, there we go. You can make any of your oils like a roll-on type thing. Then we have this oil, which is Stress Away. If you guys know me, I am an anxious mess all the time, so I am excited to try this one out. And I've heard it smells like a tropical vacation. I don't know, it might smell different whenever you diffuse it. It doesn't smell like a tropical vacation to me. It doesn't smell bad necessarily, it just doesn't smell like you're on vacation, you know? Then you have these little sample bottles. You can either give samples to friends, or you could even like use these as little travel ones if you didn't want to travel with your whole bottle. Then you have cards so you can share about your essential oils. Then with my essential rewards, I got 2 products. So the first one is a Stress Away roll-on. If I can even get it open. Wow, the packaging, man. There we go. So it comes in a little thing like this. It's the same Stress Away that I just smelled, I think. Yeah, it smells kind of the same. This one smells like it has like pepper in it or something. I don't know, it smells a little weird. But I thought this would be great for me to put in my purse because, like I said, I do suffer with anxiety, so I could like roll this on, and if it helps, it might like help me calm down. So that's why I got it, since it was like I've got to pick out a couple things anyway for my essential rewards. Why not try it? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm excited to see if that works. All right, the last thing that I got with the essential rewards is the thieves cleaner, because you guys know, if you watch any of my videos, I love cleaning. I love cleaning products. I wanted to see what this is all about, what the hype is all about, because everybody claims this stuff is great. You can use it on everything, and like it kills germs, and this just blows my mind. So I am excited to try this and see if it actually lives up to the hype, because I don't know, but I've heard really great things about this. I think the first person I saw use this was Blair Lamb. I love her channel. She swears by this stuff like it's all she uses, and I'm like, okay, I'll try it. All right. Did get something for free. So it came in this little tube, and it is the oregano Vitality, which the Vitality line is the line that you can ingest. Still don't know how I feel about it, but I am gonna smell this one. Yep, it smells like oregano. So you can like add this to food and stuff, which is crazy to me. I don't know what I'll use this for. Like I said, I'm not sure that I want to use this to like put on food, but I might change my mind. You never know. All right, and then I just got some more reading materials. So there's a lot of products that I actually want to try from Young Living. I wouldn't necessarily call myself like a non-toxic, all-natural type of person. If you guys have been watching my Clean With Me videos, you know that pretty much everything I use is non-toxic and all-natural, and I use it through the Grove, which I still love the Grove. I still order from them, and I will continue to order from them. This has not replaced it, but I am interested in trying more of the natural, non-toxic sort of stuff and like switching everything over. So I'm hoping that this company can do that for me. But like I said, this was just an unboxing. I don't know how I feel about anything yet, but I will do like an update video and let you guys know. But my battery is running out, so I need to wrap up this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments below your favorite products from Young Living, if you've tried them or anything like that. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Hit the bell notification so that way you're notified anytime I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.